In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Mailchimp to your Wix account. We'll start right inside your Wix workspace. Open your browser, head to wix.com, and sign in so you land on your site's dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, make sure the correct site is selected at the top of the dashboard before you continue. That way, the app installs exactly where you want it. From your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. This is where you manage everything you've already installed on your site and where you can discover new tools to extend your site's features. If you don't see the sidebar, expand it using the menu icon so the Apps option is visible. Next, choose App Market. The App Market is Wix's built-in store for trusted add-ons. It's organized and searchable, making it simple to find the exact integration you need for email marketing, analytics, and more. At the top of the App Market, use the search bar and type Mailchimp. Press Enter. You should now see results related to Mailchimp. Look for the official Mailchimp integration. To make sure you've got the right one, check for the familiar Mailchimp branding and review the description to confirm it connects your Wix forms and site activity to your Mailchimp audience. You can glance at ratings and reviews here as well to get a quick sense of how it performs for other users. Click on the Mailchimp result to open its app page. Here you'll see an overview of what the integration does, any key features, and helpful screenshots. Take a moment to scan the details so you know how it will appear in your dashboard and which parts of your site it can connect with, like contact forms or pop-ups. When you're ready, click Add to Site. If you manage more than one Wix site, you may be asked to pick which one to install it on. Choose the correct site and confirm. Wix may also show you a short permission screen explaining what the app can access. Review and approve to continue. After a few seconds, the app will be added to your site and appear in your apps area. You might see a quick setup wizard guiding you through basic options. If you're prompted to connect your Mailchimp account, follow the on-screen instructions and confirm the connection so your contacts and forms can sync properly. That's it. You've added Mailchimp to your Wix account. From here, you can return to your dashboard, open the app's settings to customize how it collects subscribers, and begin using Mailchimp's tools alongside your Wix site. Thanks for watching, and happy building.